Hello guys, welcome to the Trading Parrot. This is an urgent update. We are below resistance on the daily and I want you to become aware of the risks that can come from this situation if we get rejected. As you can see, we are inside this channel, and even though Bitcoin has done a local breakout from this trend line, it made all the way to resistance. This resistance is a double resistance. There's confluence between this white line resistance and also the orange resistance right here. It has the potential to produce a decent rejection on the price, and this becoming again another bear flag, pushing the momentum to produce a new low. Of course, longs are hoping to break this resistance on the first attempt and confirm it as support. This is an area that you need to make decisions. If you enter on this breakout, I will be looking into taking at the very least partial profits at this point of higher risk, and then leaving the remaining side if we do the breakout to continue going to the upside. Yes, there is a lot of potential to the upside, but I want you to be aware that there's something even more important if you're trading alts. But before we go into that, I am paying attention to this pattern on the 4-hour. You can see that this is the same move that we saw previously on the daily, but now on the 4-hour. This was bouncing on support, but it lost the support and now touching it as resistance. So this means that on the 4-hour, we have lost the momentum, and the implications of this and this resistance and the fact that for a second time we are approaching the pivot's resistance, this could be the perfect narrative for a strong rejection on the price at 66.3. What I'm trying to say is do not count on crossing the pivots necessarily. That is going to take quite a big amount of bullishness in the market to go back and turn them into support. And even more importantly, if you're trading alts, total 3 on the 4-hour is constantly bouncing on this trend line, which to me it's indicating that the right thing to do is to pay attention to this pattern here for potentially losing the support on total 3. And remember, Bitcoin does it first. On the 4-hour, it already did. On the alts, it could come next. Losing this gets a recipe to produce a channel to the downside for the alts. So be very careful if you're riding your longs right now. Hit the like and leave me a comment if you want shorter updates like this during the day.